Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to officially pair your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro to your Nintendo Switch. So first of all, open up System Settings, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on System and make sure your current version right here is 13.0.0 or newer. If you're running any older software version on the Nintendo Switch, you will need to update. Just tap on Check for Update and it will give you the option to update to System version 13.0 or any future versions which are available. Once you've done this, you'll see the Bluetooth audio toggle inside the settings. Tap on this one, then tap on Pair Device. Next, what you need to do, get your AirPods or AirPods Pro, open up the case, make sure both AirPods are inside, and now we need to activate pairing mode. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the back and there should be this white button. I want you to hold this white button down until you see this white LED start flashing. When it starts flickering, what you can do is you can release that back button right here. Be patient and eventually the AirPods or AirPods Pro you're planning on pairing should show up. If they don't show up, we'll just tap on back, pair device again, and let's see if the AirPods show up. They should. So I'll just give this a little bit. I will speed it up until the AirPods are recognized by the Nintendo Switch. And there we go. You can see, select the Bluetooth audio device you want to use. This process took about 10 seconds before the AirPods were recognized. So we'll just tap on my AirPods Pro. I'll just tap on it again. And then you see right here, connecting and connected. And now you can see our AirPods Pro and you can see the Bluetooth toggle right here. On screen, we have the prompt saying connected to Bluetooth audio. Up to 2 wireless controllers can connect while using Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth audio will be disconnected during local communication. So keep those things in mind. However, now you have successfully paired your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro to a Nintendo Switch. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Check out my playlist on the end screen right now or in the description down below for a bunch of Nintendo Switch tips and tricks which you may not know. There's a ton of tips and tricks. I can guarantee one of them you'll find brand new. So I recommend you check out that playlist. It's on the end screens right now. Or again, it's in the description if you don't see the end screens. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like. See you guys later. Bye-bye.